MTV.
What's going on?
So, alright, so today we are out in the supermarket to buy the things that we will be needing for our next challenge, which is...
Eating only one color of food challenge!
Alright, so first of all, we would like to thank you guys for watching our previous challenge, which is...
The No Flinch Challenge. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing.
So for me, I will be choosing red. And then for
Mine is
Nanay,
green.
for Lily,
For me, it's yellow.
So,
yellow. So all the food that we are going to eat should be in just one color.
If it's different color,
Then we will be disqualified for this challenge. So
So
first
what?
of all, what's the price for this challenge?
The same.
1,000 dirham.
the same, because in the no flinch challenge, you saw that Tata win in the no flinch challenge.
Of course. And let's see for this
let's see
challenge.
first. Yeah.
Hope it's Nanay because it's boys versus girls.
Oh, okay. It's a good idea for the next challenge.
Okay.
Alright, let's go on.
Guys, if you like our video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell.
So if you like this video, please subscribe right now. In 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Wow!
Okay, did you find anything for
Yep.
you? Yellow?
It's right here.
So,
we found cheese bread. Like bread.
found food for Ali, yellow,
Wow.
cheese bread.
I love cheese bread, that's why it's my favorite.
Alright, so
So-
what did you find for me?
We found the first food for Tatay. It's called Indian Classic Mango Prickle.
Oh wow.
Red.
So from here, there's interesting tip for Nanay.
Oh
It's
my
green.
What's that? It's a cucumber pickle.
My
Wow. Alright, so what did you find guys for this?
Homo.
This is third food for Ali. Hummus.
Hummus.
Yellow chickpea.
Chickpea hummus. Alright, we'll
Yeah,
see.
we
Good
did.
find. Alright, so we just bought all of the stuff that we will be needing for this vlog. See you guys in the studio.
A few moments later.
Alright, let's start the challenge.
Here. It's ready.
Excited.
So, you can see here, we have our food group ready. Red for him, green for me, and yellow for Elise. Whoever is the last person or family member is eating their food and not giving up will be the winner of how much? 1,000 dirhams again!
Challenge.
Amazing. Then I'll be the winner for sure.
No, I want to be.
Okay, so let's have our first batch. What do you want to eat, guys, first for a challenge?
Mine.
Let's start with something easy. How about peppers? Easy.
Okay, then let's
Come on,
proceed.
get. This is the easy part.
Grab your veggie.
Grab your yellow bell pepper. So it will be done. Come on. Are we ready? So,
You will be disqualified.
come on, I'll be strong. This is just a game.
So guys, I got my yellow bell pepper.
I got my green bell pepper.
And I got my red bell pepper.
Okay, let's munch in.
3, 2, 1, go!
Wait. Here.
That's good.
Come on, vectors.
I'll just take a
Or I will have to count. You will be disqualified.
Yeah, good job. Come on.
Don't
Come
spin.
Good job. Very brave, Tatay.
Wow.
But it's okay. Take your time. Be done.
She made
Very
it.
brave.
She made it.
Very brave. See,
It's
oh.
bad.
Bad, but it's healthy, right? Nice.
Now we are in round 2 of this challenge. Round 2 begin. So Elise, which one we will have to munch?
Chips.
Oh,
Alright,
you chose chips. What you got
Alright,
there?
so we'll go for chips.
What you got there?
French cheese.
I have peace chips, wasabi flavor.
Alright, and for me I got Pringles. Red.
It's original.
It's original.
Okay,
Okay, Nanay, can you
open.
Wait a minute guys. Are you sure that this is a challenge? It feels like you are enjoying it. Especially you, Elise.
I don't think so with this baby cucumber.
Okay.
Ooh,
Smell bad?
it smells like snack food.
Mmm.
Tastes good. wasabi flavor, huh? It's good.
I can eat this full day.
I think for this batch, nobody will give up. So done! We all passed.
Oh, bro, let me finish this first.
I'll just take one bite of that.
Yeah, nice. Nice
There's
round.
so much more to eat though.
But I love this round.
Come on.
Alright. It seems like everyone passed for the next round, which is the round 3. Now I will choose the food which is in the bottle or in your can. This
Canned
one.
goods or bottled goods? Hummus for
Hummus.
her, yellow. Hummus. I
And-
got
I don't think so. This is your
Ay, yeah.
This is for your pasta category.
the baby cucumber pickles. My gosh.
But mine is also a category of pickles. 1, 2, ready guys? Go!
Oh my god, yes. You taste so good.
Kiss your butter.
That's a sip.
Oh my goodness, my food, this one tastes so good. Yeah, this tastes so good.
Did you eat?
Yeah.
Did you eat yours?
Yes.
Just gonna get a little more. So delicious.
Wow.
Wow, I think Elise is in the lead, huh?
You're in the lead.
She's enjoying all of her food.
Okay guys, for the round 3, it seems like everyone qualified for round 3. And it's Elise's turn to choose which one we will gonna go next.
Okay, so we're gonna eat noodles.
Wow, noodles!
Oh, shucks.
Oh, yeah.
What you got?
A spicy noodle.
I think this is the end of my challenge.
What you got?
What I have here is the spicy noodle challenge, guys. Remember from our previous challenge, I won this round, but I don't think I will gonna make it this time.
I don't think.
So for my green food, I have pesto. I eat this on the regular.
I think this is not a challenge for you.
Look at mine.
And what about for Elle?
You got what?
She got like a cup noodle, so very easy for her.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
I think guys, yours are not a challenge at all. Mine is difficult round.
Okay, wait.
3, go!
A little salty.
A little spicy. Oh my god. It's so slow.
Ah. Guys, I think I will not proceed. I will have to stop from this stage.
Not I lose.
I will have to
yet.
stop this challenge, guys.
Yeah.
He's
I cannot proceed on the next round.
You didn't even get to the good part of Hindi. He doesn't want to continue anymore.
It's too spicy because the next round.
Bad for him, good for us.
Just imagine this challenge for me. So I don't think I will be able to get through with this next round. So from here on, I will have to stop. It's a no game for me. Alright, so guys, you will have to proceed from here on.
Ali, we're
Yeah.
done with the noodles.
See? I don't think this is really a challenge for Elise. She's still eating her noodles.
So let's go with
Drink.
juice.
Or
Drinks. I have the green cocktail nectar.
But mine is Life Plus or something.
So I think this is the bonus part for this challenge.
Bones part.
So let me drink mine. as
Yeah,
well.
let's go, let's go.
It's just like cleanser. It will cleanse our throat.
Even though I'm disqualified, but let me take this challenge. How was it, guys?
Oh my goodness.
Is it
My
really a
drink is
challenge?
so good, so good.
It tastes like sugar.
I don't think she's really on challenge.
So
Guys,
we go.
I'm out.
I got my fruit.
We got now our fruits.
Mine is banana.
I have green apple. 3,
3,
2, 1.
I tried in the afternoon.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. I tried in the afternoon.
I can eat this all day.
I tried that in the afternoon.
Really? Tastes good, right?
Guys, are we really in a challenge?
It's yummy.
I don't think there's a challenge eating those food.
Okay, this is the next round.
Yeah.
What do we have, Elle?
Candies.
Candy.
Sorry, this red one is out.
Yeah.
No one will eat it.
Take out my... But I can actually have one.
Okay, in 3, 2,
2, 1.
1.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard to bite.
No one's giving up.
The director is out.
Guys, I'm still recovering. Guys, to make this game with challenge with these two participants, Elise will have to eat the bread with the mustard. Then Nanay will have to dip her pickle with this pesto.
Woo! I don't like! Oh my god!
Oh yeah, she's in trouble.
You ready?
Yummy! Yummy!
No, I don't like. I give up.
Alright, so we have a winner.
It's bad.
Wow! So finally we have a winner. And it's Elise!
Mustard on top of a cheese bread. Come on. Winner! 1,000 dirhams. It's the true definition of a winner.
I knew it, I win.
Oh wow.
I hope you enjoy our challenge for today, you guys. The eating one color of food challenge. So, Elise is the winner. Stay tuned for our next vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the share button, the notification bell.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoy because we did enjoy.
Alright.
And Elise just won 1,000 dirhams. Okay, so that's
Alright
it.
guys, so see you on the next vlog.
See ya! Bye-bye! What?